You are watching OJ's Classroom. So in previously we can started the discussing about the basics of gate. So we can get the basic gate. So there is three basic gate is there: and gate, or gate, and not gate. So these three are basic gate. So why we can say these three are basic gate? We can wrap up also the call that these three gates we can implement any other gate. So in previously we can discuss the AND gate. So today we are discussing the OR gate. So the terms OR means any one, we can say any one. So if we get the two input, so A B is the two input, and OR means Y A and B, or Y A or B, or symbols is plus. So from the two inputs, so we have four combination: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. So from OR we can say if 0 0 we can get 0, 0 1 we can get 1, 1 0 we can get 1, 1 1 we can get 1. So from OR we can say that any of the we can get, if both the 0 then 0. If any one is high we can get high, any one high, high, any one of high. So from this truth table we can say that if any one of the input variable is high, then we can get we can get high as output, high as a output. So any one of the input is high, then we can get high as a output. If if all the inputs are low, we get low as the output. So this thing we can note it down. If all the inputs are low, then we can get low. If all the any one input is high, then we can get the high as the output. These things we can note it down. So the basic formula is y is equal to a plus b. So the basic logical diagram of a and b is a b. This is the logic diagram of a and b. So if we implement the three input uh, of AND gate, a OR gate, so we can get a b c as three input, and y is equal to output a plus b plus c, or a or b or c. So from three input variable we can get how much? 2 to the power 3 means 8 combination: 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So we can get that if any one of the input is high, output is high. So from this, if no one input is high, so we get 0. So one input is high, again output is high. One input is high, output is high. One input is high, output is high. One input is high, output is high. Any one in the input is high, so output is high. One input is high, output is high. So all the input is high, output is high. So this is the three input variables or get truth table. So in further we can use this. So from now we can memorize these things. So in later we can